struggling with prop firms? Let's go. Hey guys, today's video is going to be an interesting one. I want to obviously provide as much value as I possibly can. I upload a video every 2 days, so obviously I try to get as much as possible, try to keep the content unique. But I'm just going to be going over, guys, popping down some key levels. I'm going to be, going over entries, and I'm going to be obviously the main topic of this video. I feel like it's more like a podcast, just trying to make a video every 2 days like a radio station. But the whole concept of today's video, guys, is going to be obviously focusing on entries. We're going to be going over a little bit over key levels, and we're going to be the whole approach towards trading, how you should approach it, right? Number one, in my eyes, gamify this as much as possible. Don't think about the money side, right? So obviously this is gold. Today's example, we're going to be going over gold. I mean, if I had to just go over a quick example of an entry right now, this position from here gave a 1 to 4, but you see this super strong bullish candle. Let's just follow this as we go along. If we just put it down here, let's see what this goes to, right? This is a super strong bullish candle, a morning star, whatever you want to call it. Not the best morning star, but it's a bullish candle here that's slightly moving up. Obviously we've been in a downtrend for the past few hours, but we got this super strong bullish candle now. Obviously long wick rejection bullish candle, super strong. If I even turn on the candle strength indicator, I'll just show you. Let me just turn this on. Let's see, it's 97% and above. Now does that mean it'll 100% continue going up? No, I'm actually in a trade right now. If you can just see this, obviously we're running live right now, that's why I'm showing in blue, because we are profitable. So I mean, this could very well still turn against me, right? But I mean, pretty confident it should continue push further up on gold. But let's just if I just show you something else as well. Okay, so the whole approach idea, like I just mentioned, we should gamify this, right? And what I'm trying to say, basically, what do I mean by that? When example, you play a video game, even if you're losing it, you still turn up, right? You just restart the game, and even if you lose, yeah, it hurts, it's not the best feeling, but then the whole idea is you just sugar it off, and then you just be like, okay, I'm just gonna come back and give it another shot. But you never just switch your Xbox or your PlayStation off and just sell it, right? You never do that. So the whole idea today is one, obviously psychology, if you want to call it as well. So let's just drop down a few more levels. Now, first of all, let's just go into a bit more depth. Let's just see for entries. I mean, even on this time frame, right, it's a super strong bullish candle. If I even on a much small time frame, we getting more and more volume. It's still late in the day, it's like 5 p.m. in the UK time. But just to give you an example, right, will this 100% work? No, even the best setups can lose. But I've been testing some of these other gold positions. I've not actually posted these gold excuse me, I don't know what happened there. These gold positions online today, because I'm experimenting with this gold position and these gold positions. This sell here, I did post it online. If I just show you, if I go on my Discord community, by the way, if you're interested in joining, I do offer unlimited one-to-one live sessions. Unlimited, yes, you heard that right. This is the elite mentorship. If you are interested of joining, link will be in the video description. Hit that like, subscribe, comment, share. As well, I post a video every 2 days. Let me just find it. Actually, this was posted in front of the 950 members. Winning trade, this one, let me just find, yeah, this one here, actually 1 to 5 I caught on gold. And pretty much, yeah, that's as easy as that. And this was, if you see here, let me just minimize this. By the way, I'm a strong believer of collecting data, and that's why that was the reason. Now I'm entering this major level here, but I do think gold should be able to push through. This is one thing I love about gold, it just keeps going. Now I won't be aiming for that usual one. I'll put my trade at break even. By the way, you can't see it, it just obviously it's on my personal account, that's why I'm not showing exactly MT5, guys. My personal account, and don't want to really show how much is in that. But my point is, if you're hearing my keys go off right now, guys, because I'm just moving all my trades to pretty much break even. It's either I'll make a profit or I'll have a zero loss. I've just moved my stop loss to break even, so I'll just do the same for here as well. And yeah, you've seen that then gold just pushed up a little further up. But anyways, coming back to the point, is basically, you know, entries and psychology. Okay, if I lose a trade, I'll just get back in, right? I'm not bothered. Now, again, my strategy is the break and retest. And of course, I was just mentioning about data as well, collecting that data, adding it here. And, you know, I'm a strong believer. I've done the same basically for gold as well, for US 30 as well. And I just like to trade currency pairs that work with my strategy the best. And what I've seen, sorry, with my psychology, my temperament, you know, if I can handle, you know, 2-3 losses in a row, then that's the kind of strategy I would like to go for. I don't want to have a 10-20% win rate and then, you know, but this is something, gold is still in the experiment, but I've decided to, you know, work on this on my personal account. Nothing, you know, example, not with prop firms or anything, just because I think it's only fair if, you know, I don't like, you know, if I did this on a prop firm account, I'm just testing this out, probably just blow the account, you never know. But yeah, I just thought I'll just try this out on a personal account, and so far it's looking okay. Caught about 4 or 5 winners. Again, did not post these in my mentorship, just because then I know my students will be asking, you know, oh, what strategy are you using, you know. Right now it's in the works, you know, that's the honest answer. So I don't dare want to post anything, but I just drop down more levels and see what we can find with gold. So let's so if I had to focus on levels for over here, right, what would I be looking at if I had to focus on more levels? Let's say drop us here, level down there. I can see another level pretty much down here as well. Just trying to make this clean as possible. And again, you know, I'm not refining these, just quickly chucking them down what my eye can see. And it's super important, guys. Chart time, nothing's going to beat that. But simply because the more time you spend on the charts, you know, you got to just train your eyeballs. And you're just going to get better and better, right? Again, it's all about gamifying this, right? If I lose, do I care? No. If I win, do I care? Absolutely not. It just, you know, part of the strategy, part of the method. It is what it is. Let's see another level. You can use the bigger time frames to refine as well. You know, basically, let's go on the 2 hours, 1 hours, 5 hours, daily. You know, it's probably refine a little bit better maybe. But I just lost it. I just go into entries, right? So I mean, and I can see another example right here, guys. Look at this. Price comes down here. Just one moment. I want to do this properly. Okay. 2 super strong bullish candles, both 100% each, right? These 2 candles I'm talking about, long wick rejections as well. Let's just turn on the candle strength indicator. Let's draw it like this. And what I want to do from that is candle strength indicator. Look at that, guys. Look at that. 90. That's a 99%, 98%. Super strong, both of them, right? All I'm going to do now, I'll just take a buy trade. So pretty much you want to have a healthy stop loss, by the way, guys. Don't be doing something insane like 100 points for gold. Gold is a big mover, right? You can just put it at the low, at the, you know, pretty much this wick, or whichever, you know, especially if I was getting in on the second candle. This candle, I'll be putting it below this wick here. And then, you know, then you gotta know on average what's your average TP that gold gives you, right? So basically, let's press play, and what would we get? I mean, this just goes, doesn't it? And now I normally use the candle strength indicator as a volume, you know, give me indication for volume. So what do we look at? What do we see? If I do this, and then I mean, it gives me a nice 1-4-2. Again, another reason to hold the position. Look at this super strong bullish candle here. Price just keeps going, right? Let's just see if we got any of the indications here to hold the positions even longer. Well, price starts dying down. Super strong bullish candle, but I don't care because, and again, it shows you how clean I draw the key levels, guys. Now look at this, guys. A kind of a, well, not the best bearish candle, but I mean, I would like to see a bearish candle like this, super strong engulfing. Price comes down, but I mean, see, this is when it becomes 50-50, right? This is when it becomes 50-50 because it's not a, you know, super strong bullish candle. Now price is going. Let's think of it. Let's find another strong bullish candle or a bearish candle. Any examples over here? No, not really. This one, not the best, you know, but it is going up, obviously. Okay. This super strong bullish candle here, but again, you will not win every single trade. Let's see another one. And you know, bullish candle here, no bearish candle here. We're gonna bet strong. Okay, no, I'm looking for a long wick rejection one. And by the way, we'll go back to that trade as well. Let me just show you as well. Let's go back to that trade that I was showing you earlier. Oh, we are going bullish. Look at that. Look at that, nice. In another gold position. Again, I'm not showing this. I mean, you can see if you zoomed in, running nicely, goldish. Like, might actually end the position is because it's really late. I don't wanna close that trade. Okay, I've closed both positions, and we are up nicely. And gold, look at that. But okay, another example would be here. Look at this, guys. This super strong bullish candle here has come up above this key level and it's closed above, so maybe I shouldn't have got out, right? But it'll be interesting to see what happens. Now, by the way, I don't use the 15-minute time frame for my entries. Only my students in my mentorship know what time frame I use for entries. That's only exclusive to them. Again, if you are interested of joining, guys, link will be in the video description. But these moves I caught on gold earlier today on my personal account. Again, this was went to a 1 to 4. This one went to, you know, 1 to 4 as well. And if I just show you guys, I mean, if like example, let me just show you something here. For example, right, this is not the exact method I use. Okay, look, that's just pushing up higher. This is not the exact method I used to take my entries for today, but just an example, right? Again, look at this. I mean, like, and this is look at this. What do you see here? Look at this, super strong bullish candle, right? And it's just like, again, like a video game. Multiple wick rejections at the bottom, price just, you know, pushes up. Now, what was my reason for this one? Again, this is not the exact strategy that I use. Let's go on a small time frame. Can we see any clues? Not the best, but a strong bullish candle there as well. Again, look at this. It's gonna, I think it's gonna continue pushing higher because I've already done the homework with this strategy, guys. And what's my homework? On average, I get a 1 to 4. On average, I know how much gold moves. Will this 100% touch this 1 to 4, this line here? No, you know, anything can happen. Let me just move this pretty much down here. As you can see, like I said, look, if I just put it there, can you see the 3 numbers there now? No, because I've closed all positions. So that was just to let you know, guys, I actually took a live trade. But again, I don't show my actual balance in my personal account, so that's why I showed it like that. Let me see if we could find any more clues, guys. Any more clues? Okay, can you see one? Anyone see one? Let me just show you one here. Look at this one here. And what happens? Price comes back down. Super strong bearish candle. None here. Not the candlestick pattern I normally would recommend. See, this is good. You gotta have to be also super patient, guys. You have to be super patient. And I've spotted another one down here. This is focusing on one candlestick pattern, not on the engulfing. There's an engulfing pattern here as well, but they shoots up. Super long wick rejection. I think it's the free white soldiers called continuation pattern, and price just shoots all the way up. Let's see here. We got strong, kind of a decent long wick rejection there, bearish, but on the other side, wrong side of the key level. Super strong bullish candle here. Price goes up. Let's see. If you notice, guys, if it doesn't go all the way up, it still pushes a little bit up. But again, why am I so accurate? is because of my key levels. Now, of course, this is, I mean, that's my edge as well. My biggest edge is the way I draw my key levels, right? Let me think. Yeah, I'll be going too far back. Let's just focus on what we already looking at. And again, guys, this is live, so let me go to a small time frame so you can see much better. We are pushing pretty much. Again, this is why I've closed the trade early, guys. It's 5:18 in the UK right now. Volume is decreasing. I've got my winners for the day. So it's pretty much looking good, you know. I'm happy. What did I close here? I think it's 1 2. I remember. Oh, just one moment. I need to sort this stop loss size from here. By the way, again, it's not the exact stop loss size that I'm using. I'm using a totally different stop loss size. So I closed it pretty much on 1 to 2. Yeah. I could have just looked at my MT5 actually and just told you much faster, but yeah, it's running nicely. The original entry that I missed was actually from this area, right? I wanted to get in from this point, but I actually got in quite late, and I still might. Oh, and it's pushing further up, but it is what it is. I'm happy. Again, it's all about gamifying, guys. You win some, you lose some. Just you just don't take the money out of it. Focus on clean entries. Focus on. I mean, this is pushing higher now. I got out somewhere pretty much here, didn't I? From this key level here, because we were entering a resistance level. But yeah, let the market do its thing. Focus on that you're having clean entries. Don't get in too late. Don't get in too early. Focus on finding out what your maximum TP should aim for, maximum stop loss you should aim for. These are the kind of things, right? So again, simple short video. That's about 16 minutes long, 15 minutes long, but simple short video. I hope you found value from this video. You're gonna be making more and more videos, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share. And again, if you're interested in one-to-one mentorship from myself, no one else, just from myself. I'm not hired anyone, or no one works for me. Of course, I've got profitable students who are kind enough and generous enough to help around, but of course, everything will be coming from myself if you message me one-to-one. Yeah, if you are interested in a one-to-one mentorship and just fast forward your trading, if you've been doing this for years, again, I do not work with beginners. If you do not know how to place a trade, if you don't know what a pip is, please, I mean, you're more than welcome to join the free community, right? But don't gain some experience, then message me. But yeah, that's just going higher and higher. I think you will eventually, because it's one of my not A plus but B plus setups, and it's just going, yeah, quite confident. And especially when I know, if you notice about my winners here, guys, before I leave, none of my trades hardly ever go in drawdown. Have you noticed? This one and this one, none. This one a little bit, but not in maximum, maybe the 50% area. That's how I know to hold it longer, right? It says clue. That's a tip. If it's showed me zero drawdown, and if it goes okay, it's pushing now. It's pushing. So what would it be? I'm being about to now, maybe 1 to 3. Nice, simple, but we got out from this position, and you can watch the video and you'll know. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, and I'm out.